Rewrite division as a multiplication question with an unknown factor.
These are the upper reaches of unknown factor falls. Sedge, a river otter, moves with the current, diving and rolling through the shallow rapids. Her progress through the falls depends on the physical constraints of the water. To move forward, she must account for the specific quantities arranged in the landscape. Today, watch the scene carefully. The numbers and symbols are part of the world, so the structure can be seen before it is named. Division is a physical relationship we can observe in the arrangement of the environment. By looking at a division problem as a multiplication question with a missing piece, we can predict how the landscape will change. Sedge reaches the 32 pool. The water holds 32 fish, settled into 8 distinct rows. We can determine the count in each row by asking a multiplication question. 8 times what makes 32? Since 8 times 4 is 32, the quotient is 4. 32 divided by 8 equals 4, because 8 times 4 equals 32. With the count clearly confirmed, Sedge continues her descent. The journey continues to the 45 ledge. Here, 45 fish are distributed across 5 rocky steps. To find the share on each step, we ask, 5 times what results in 45? 5 times 9 makes 45, which means the quotient is 9. 45 divided by 5 equals 9, because 5 times 9 equals 45. Reading the array shows the math is constant as water cascades downward. The weather shifts overhead as Sedge dives smoothly into the 54 run, where the rushing water moves more quickly. 54 fish are swimming through 6 joining runs. To understand the density of each run, we ask, 6 times what makes 54? 6 times 9 is 54, so the quotient is 9. 54 divided by 6 equals 9, because 6 times 9 equals 54. The math matches the movement of the water, and Sedge follows the flow downward. Sedge reaches the final basin. 28 fish have settled here, divided into 4 separate schools. To find the size of these schools, we ask, 4 times what makes 28? 4 times 7 is 28. So the quotient is exactly 7. 28 divided by 4 equals 7, because 4 times 7 equals 28. The basin is now calm, and the route through the falls is complete. Looking back at the route through unknown factor falls, we can see how the fish were arranged at every level. By analyzing the physical layout, we can read these groups top-down as division or bottom-up as multiplication. Division is a multiplication equation with a missing factor. When we find that factor, we understand the whole structure. Which label in the environment tells you the most about the relationship between these numbers, and how does Sedge's movement prove it? Understanding the quantities in the world allows us to navigate it. The waterfall flows naturally now, and Sedge rests in the quiet water at the bottom of the falls.
28 divided by 4 is 7 because 4 times 7 is 28.